06. Range Rover SV. The Range Rover SV is the ultimate expression of British luxury and capability. Majestic in presence and refined in execution, it represents the peak of Range Rover craftsmanship. The exterior carries its signature floating roof, clean body lines, and sophisticated proportions. Power and capability merge through advanced engines and terrain systems, offering effortless performance on any road, or no road at all. It glides with serenity, its air suspension smoothing every surface. Inside, the SV transforms into a luxury retreat. Tailored leather, mosaic wood veneers, semi-aniline upholstery, executive-class rear seats, and an immersive Meridian audio system elevate comfort to another level. Technology integrates naturally. Pivi Pro, rear screens, massage seats, and digital controls make the SV feel intelligent, seamless, and modern. The Range Rover SV is made for those who seek luxury with true capability, power with refinement. It represents prestige, comfort, and authority. 07. Mercedes Maybach S-Class. The Maybach S-Class is the epitome of chauffeured luxury. Sleek, elegant, and quietly dominant, it redefines what a flagship sedan should be. The exterior carries signature Maybach detailing, chrome accents, two-tone paint, and a presence that radiates class. Performance comes from a refined V8 or V12 delivering butter-smooth acceleration. The ride feels like floating courtesy of E-Active body control and advanced suspension systems. Inside, the Maybach S-Class is a sanctuary of indulgence. Reclining rear lounge seats, footrests, wood trim, ambient lighting, heated and ventilated cushions, and the Burmester 4D audio system create a first-class environment. The rear cabin becomes your personal world, quiet, comfortable, and perfectly tailored. Technology includes MBUX with gesture controls, augmented reality navigation, and intelligent safety systems. Everything works effortlessly. The Maybach S-Class is for those who lead with grace. Luxury perfected. 09. Bentley Flying Spur. The Bentley Flying Spur is the definition of grand luxury sedan excellence. It blends power, elegance, and craftsmanship into a commanding presence. The exterior flows with sculpted lines, a bold matrix grille, and crystal-inspired headlights. Performance is delivered through Bentley's V8 W12 or hybrid powertrains, smooth, authoritative, and effortlessly refined. The Flying Spur accelerates with grace, not aggression. Inside, Bentley craftsmanship shines. Hand-stitched leather, polished wood, knurled metals, and the iconic rotating display elevate luxury to an art form. Rear executive seating transforms long journeys into moments of peace. Technology integrates seamlessly. Advanced driving systems, premium audio, and personalized comfort settings create a sanctuary in motion. The Flying Spur is for those who want elegance with power, heritage with innovation. A true British masterpiece. 10. Rolls-Royce Phantom Series. At the Rolls-Royce Phantom Series, Seclu remains the absolute monarch of luxury sedans. Its presence is unmatched, majestic proportions, the Pantheon grille, and the spirit of ecstasy standing proudly above all. The V12 engine delivers silent, effortless motion, power that feels infinite yet refined. The Phantom does not drive, it glides. Inside, the cabin becomes an art gallery. Handcrafted wood, bespoke materials, commissioned artwork, starlight headliner, and tailor-made luxury create the most prestigious interior on earth. Every element is customized to perfection. Technology enhances the experience invisibly. Intuitive screens, night vision, elevated comfort systems, and studio-grade audio fill the cabin with modern intelligence. The Phantom Series is not a car. It is a legacy, a symbol of timeless luxury reserved for the world's most influential individuals. The 08. Royce Spectre. The Rolls-Royce Spectre is a historic milestone, the first fully electric Rolls-Royce, crafted to redefine silent luxury. Its design is sculpted with aerodynamic perfection, carrying the essence of Rolls-Royce greatness into the electric future. Power arrives with instant torque, delivered in complete silence. The Spectre glides with supernatural smoothness, maintaining the iconic magic carpet ride experience with electric precision. The cabin is a vision of future luxury. Star-lit doors, illuminated fascia, bespoke materials, handcrafted surfaces, and whisper-level silence. Everything inside reflects artistry born from human hands. The Spectre is the future of ultra-luxury, executed the Rolls-Royce way, silent, powerful, and unconditionally majestic.